Alright, I'm back and I'm working on my 1999 Ford Windstar here. It's got a 3.8 liter V6 engine, and I've got an issue with the exhaust here, so let me show you. Alright, so there is a hole in that thing there, possibly in that other end right there. That part, I had to look it up. I didn't know what it was called. It is an exhaust intermediate pipe, and it's got a couple of bolts right there holding it in, and then right there as well. I think there's probably some kind of gasket right there, I'm not sure. And so they're pretty rusty. I sprayed some penetrating fluid on there, and I'm going to give it a little bit of time, and then I'm going to try to take those off, and I'm going to look at that part there and see if it's if it's something maybe I can just fix, or if I really do need to replace it completely. They want like $160 for one at O'Reilly. I don't know about that, and I mean, maybe I could get one from a junkyard, but I don't know, that one would be pretty old too, and I don't know how long that one would last. So I'm gonna anyways take this off and see if I can do something about it, and I'll get back to you.